Here I come.
Blow my face off. I don't take no. It is evident. I do bet whole lot of gold.
YouTube, this your boy Freestyling with Ricky. I'm back with another one, gang. I am back with another video, guys. It feel like I haven't did a vlog and a video in a while, but I've been dropping some shorts, guys. Man, it just feel like I haven't did a video in a long time. I don't know why is that, but guys, yeah. It's Sunday morning, guys. We're heading to a car show. I think it's at Dramatic Pizza spot. I'm just outside, guys. Just came from out of town. I'm so grateful, so happy, guys. If you're new to the channel, if you're stopping by the channel, guys, make sure y'all guys subscribe, comment, like, guys. I'm back with another banger, guys. I am feeling fantastic on this morning. I got up this morning feeling good, feeling rested. I am ready to get ready and start my day. We getting ready to head to the show. I think it started at 10 o'clock. Yeah, guys, I just wanted to share that with y'all guys on this morning, man. It feel like I haven't grind. I know I'm saying it again, but it just feel like I haven't been in front of the camera chatting with y'all guys in a long time. But I'm actually gonna do something maybe tonight. I might go live stream tonight. But yeah, guys, I'm just feeling fantastic. Today is a good day. Today is a beautiful day. You see it out here. We ain't getting no rain right now, but today is a great day. Yeah, guys, always tell y'all guys, get outside and enjoy yourself. Get outside and enjoy the weekend. Today is going to be a beautiful, beautiful weekend, guys. Remember, always stay encouraged, always stay motivated. Remember to trust the process and never ever give up on yourself, guys. So I'm finna jam to some tunes, and I'm on my way, guys. I'm on my way to this car show, guys. So I'll tap back with y'all guys in a minute. So let's go.
Since I'm older, and so I got this, and I said, I know all about it, so I can do the work. But you didn't need to do it. I can go and eat that.
Yeah, that's nice right here. Stuart, look. This is nasty. Right too. Man, this sucker clean, boy. Ooh-wee. Volkswagen, guys. Look at the inside. Let's check out the inside. Immaculate. The inside, guys. Man, got the old school carpet in there. Wow. Clean. Clean, clean, clean. It's clean.
That's okay. Still dry off.
Nasty over here.
I'm gonna have a trophy
Like that. Like this. This is nasty. Woo wee. How you doing, boss man?
Fantastic yourself?
Good.
Good, man.
That's right here, gang. This is wow. Ooh, my camera getting wet. No, you good, you good. How you doing? Ooh, it's raining, raining, raining.
Well, wait 5 minutes. Travis. Joe, nice to meet you, Joe.
Now that's a nice camera.
Thank you.
You the guy posted on the website?
Huh?
You got
Yeah, I put this on my YouTube
I
channel.
went to the website. I couldn't find it.
My YouTube channel? No, I put this on my YouTube channel.
Did you leave a card in my
You
car?
have
No,
no
no.
idea the amount of software it takes to do what he does. He's
Yeah.
got 30 grand in software in his computer.
But they gave him that
you know
fuzzy
what?
thing for free,
Doing
right?
YouTube, you spend a lot of it's like an investment in yourself.
I'm
I'm
always on
already
YouTube.
like,
I want to see my car on YouTube.
oh, you will, you will.
What is it? So what will Ricky? What will Ricky?
Freestyling with Ricky.
Freestyling.
I'm sorry. She just curb it. The Rihanna might have one on that.
I went to the dealership, what do they call it? Passenger side seatbelt wasn't working.
Right.
Look at the track. Right. I'm like, I go back a week later to put the car up.
All right, gang, just got from this little small car meet. As you can see, it rained out, guys. It rained out. So, want to apologize to y'all guys. I did not get that much footage because it started raining. Actually, I was getting rain on and I didn't want my camera to get rained on. So yeah, the video gonna be short because of the rain. It rained out. It's still raining. A lot of guys start closing their hood when you got old school cars. I get it. The water is like kryptonite. Make sure y'all guys subscribe, comment, like up the video, guys. Just a quick little video, quick vlog. I wasn't able to get much footage, and it really wasn't that many cars there. It was like a couple of old, no, I ain't gonna say that. A couple of older gentlemen that host a car meet in Boynton Beach in the parking lot, and then talking to some guys, but it started raining. And I did not want to get my camera rained on, guys. So yeah, the video is going to be real quick vlog. I'll put it in the title. It probably rained out, you know. It's still raining, guys. So I know, guys, people already started pulling out. But yeah, guys, we're in our hurricane season, so we're gonna get the rain on and off. So yeah, guys, make sure y'all guys subscribe, comment, like. I'm out. Peace.